let's look into building a mat switch or a pressure plate for milsim use. We used to use these all the time in the Halloween haunted house industry. Yeah, I've been doing that for 25 years or so, but our technology has moved on to a lot more motion detectors and brake beams and a whole bunch of other things, but these are still a classic. So what you need is you need 3 strips of Hobby Lobby craft foam, 2 inches wide. So one strip you're going to punch a bunch of holes in. I've found with this thickness foam, 8mm holes work great for us. You can just cut them with a knife and punch them out. I used the laser cutter. On the 2 solid panels, we're going to add strips of aluminum tape. You can find that at your local Home Depot. These will be our conductors. And we'll fold over about 2 inches on either end so that we can attach our wires to the conductors. That's one piece. You don't have to be overly precise in your alignment because the holes are towards the middle. Okay. From there, we want to take a section of wire that we're going to use to connect the 2 ends. Strip it back a little bit, about there. And then we want to put some twists and kinks in the wire. I kind of twist it up a little bit so that when we press it in, it digs into the foil tape. You have to use the non-sticky side of the foil tape to get good contact with your conductors. All right. So from there, I'll attach to this end. Little section of mold right there for a second. And we can just press it into place and hold it with some tape. Okay. There, just put our section with the holes in it. Line that up. Using 3-inch tape because that's what I have, and that works really well. You could use 2-inch and go side to side, but the 3-inch, if you just put it on, center it, gives you a nice wrap over your edges. stuff that in a little bit there, fold it over, so it works as a strain relief, and there is completed pressure plate, mat switch, whatever you want to call it. That, when it takes pressure, will complete a circuit